Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Subnautica 2 crashes during compiling initial shaders screen on PC. So if your Subnautica 2 game is crashing during compiling initial shaders, then here follow the fixes. Now the first fix is to simply restart Steam or restart your PC. So click on this word Steam and then click on exit. This will exit the Steam. And then again relaunch Steam and then launch this Subnautica 2 game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then just restart your PC, and once your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 2, update graphic card driver. So if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, go to NVIDIA website. If you have AMD graphic card driver, go to AMD website. And if you have Intel graphic card driver, go to Intel website. Links are provided in my video description. What you have to do, you have to search and select your current graphic card drive version and install the latest version. And after updating the graphic card driver, restart your PC and then launch the game and check. So I'm showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this NVIDIA website. So once you're on this NVIDIA website, enter your graphic card driver version over here, select operating system and then click on find. Now you have to download and install the GeForce Game Ready driver. So whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install it. So click on view, click on download, and once this exe file get downloaded, you have to run it and install it. And after updating your graphic card driver, just restart your PC. Don't forget to restart your PC. And once your PC restart, you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if updating the graphic card driver does not help, then you can roll back your graphic card driver, and this is for the AMD users, not for NVIDIA graphic card driver. This is for the AMD users. You can see in Subnautica discussion, important information on video drivers with Subnautica 2. So if you have AMD driver and if you have an AMD 9000 series GPU with latest driver 26.5.1 and are crashing on game launch, then AMD recommends that you roll back your driver to 26.3.1. They are working on a fix. You will need to manually download the previous driver from the amd.com. So you can roll back your graphic card driver to 26.3.1, and this is for the AMD users. One users have also said that it works with AMD driver 26.5.2 version as well. So AMD users, simply roll back your driver to 26.3.1 or 26.5.2 version and check. Fix 4 is to modify the game launch options. So you can try -DX11, -DX12 or -D3D11. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Subnautica 2 game. This is just an example I am showing with another game. You have to right click on Subnautica 2 game and then select properties, and in the launch options first type -DX11. Close the tab, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to the game properties and this time type -DX12. Close the tab, launch the game and check. If it's still not working, again go to the Subnautica 2 game properties and this time type -D3D11. Close the tab, launch the game and check. If it's still not working, again go to the Subnautica 2 game properties, remove the launch options and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 5, Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search, type Windows security and open it. Then click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. Then click on add an allowed app, browse all apps. And then browse to the game installation folder. You have to browse to C drive, program files, x86, Steam, Steam apps common. Open the Subnautica 2 game folder and then look for Subnautica 2 exe file and select it and then click on open to add it to the list. After adding it, go back. Now click on firewall and network protection. Click on allow an app through firewall. Then click on change settings. Then click on allow another app and then click on browse. And then again browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, program files, x86, Steam, Steam apps common, Subnautica 2 game folder and then look for Subnautica 2 exe file, select it and then click on open and then click on add to add it to the list. After adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked mark for this Subnautica 2 game. This is just an example, and then click on OK to save changes and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now, if you're using any third-party antivirus software such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, ESCT, then allow the game exe files to your antivirus program as well. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Or you can simply disable your antivirus program and then check. Later you can enable your antivirus program after playing the game. Fix 6 is to run the game from the game installation folder, run the game as an administrator, or try running the game in compatibility mode. So go to the game installation folder, open C drive, program files, x86, Steam, Steam apps, common, Subnautica 2 game folder. First double click the Subnautica 2 exe file and then try to launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then right click on Subnautica 2 exe file and then select properties and then go to the compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game from the game installation folder by double clicking the Subnautica 2 exe file and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to the compatibility tab and this time check mark run this program in compatibility mode for. From the drop down select Windows 8 and then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then from the drop down here select Windows 7, then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then also check mark disable full screen optimization option, then hit on apply, OK, and then check. If it's still not working, then untick all these three boxes. Just uncheck all these three boxes, then hit on apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 7 is to verify the game files. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Subnautica 2 game. Again, this is just an example. You have to right click on Subnautica 2 game and then click on properties. Go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the 100% verification has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 8 is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft website. Link is provided in my video description. And once you're on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both x64 version and x86 version. Download both the version. First click on x64 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. So either repair it or install it. Next click on x86 version. Again, if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install. So either repair it or install it, and then just restart your PC. And after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 9 is to run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search, type graphic settings and open it. Then click on add desktop app and then browse to the game installation folder. So browse to C drive, program files, x86, Steam, Steam apps, common. Open this Subnautica 2 game folder and then look for Subnautica 2 exe file and select it, and then click on add to add it to the list. After adding it, expand it, click on drop down next to GPU preference and select high performance. And after selecting the high performance, go ahead, relaunch the game and check. Fix 10 is to disable overlay. Disable game overlay in Steam. So again, open Steam, go to library, right click on Subnautica 2 game. Again, this is just an example. You have to right click on Subnautica 2 game and then select properties. And here in the general tab, you will see this option, enable the Steam overlay while in game. Just toggle it off and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then enable it and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Disable Discord overlay. If you have installed Discord on your PC, then disable Discord overlay. Disable NVIDIA overlay. Open NVIDIA GeForce Experience, settings, general, turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadow Play overlay, AMD overlay, and then go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 11 is to close conflicting or unnecessary programs. So disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick controllers, multiple monitors connected to PC, unplug the Logitech or Thrustmaster racing wheel, and the task for Afterburner, Riva Tuner, SW Info, Razor Synapse or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of your tabs to free up RAM and then relaunch the game and check. Fix 12 is to update Windows. So open Windows settings. On the left, click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them and then just restart your PC. Don't forget to restart your PC, and after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall the game. So simply uninstall Subnautica 2 game from your PC, then just restart your PC and then reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive or external SSD drive, and then you can go ahead, launch the Subnautica 2 game and check if your problem is solved or not. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve Subnautica 2 game crashing during compiling initial shaders. So that's all for this video.